Hey, welcome back on Tech Brothers YouTube channel. The compact drones are very popular today. We already made unboxing and review of Xiaomi MITU drone. Also, there is DJI Rise Tello. Of course, they are not designed for professional shooting, but they are good for those who want to try the drone for the first time. It is also an excellent toy for both children and adults. The popular manufacturer of action cameras, ThiEYE, released its own compact drone called ThiEYE Dr.X. For the price only $80, it has many features, such as Full HD video recording, 3 modes of flying, and 8 minutes of flight time. So we have first review of ThiEYE Dr.X. Later we will try to get it for unboxing and full review. First, ThiEYE Dr.X is ultra-compact and lightweight drone. You can easily take it with you wherever you go. Its dimensions are 11 by 11 by 4.3 cm and weight only 83 grams. The drone comes with removable battery, 4 propellers and 2 propellers guard. The assembly is very simple and fast. ThiEYE Dr.X is equipped with different sensors such as optical flow, vision positioning system, barometric sensor, and 6-axis gyro stabilization. It is able to fly both indoors and outdoors. Now let's talk about main features. ThiEYE Dr.X has 8-megapixel camera. It allows to shoot video in Full HD resolution at 30 fps or 720p real-time video transmission. The drone uses microSD memory cards for storing the footage. The maximum flight distance is 15 meters, while the maximum height is 20 meters. If we talk about battery, it has a capacity of 650 mAh. The flight time is about 8 minutes, which is very good for such a compact device. To control the drone, you only need the application on your phone. It has the same name, ThiEYE Dr.X. The app provides one-button calibration, joystick control mode, and motion-sensitive mode. Also, you can use different flight modes, such as high and low speed, selfie mode, G-sensor mode, 360-degree rotation, and some others. Now you can see comparison table with ThiEYE Dr.X, Xiaomi MITU drone, and DJI Tello on your screen. The main advantage of ThiEYE Dr.X over its competitors is 8-megapixel camera with Full HD video recording. I think it is the most important and useful improvement because the shooting quality of Xiaomi MITU drone is quite poor. The official footage of ThiEYE mini drone looks very good, but we want to see the real one. Later we will try to get this drone for full review and publish real footage. Thanks for watching. In description you can find link where to buy this drone cheaper. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.